everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you Philips Selfie Straightener review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. This is straightener 210 degrees Celsius professional temperature for perfect salon results. Ceramic plates for smooth gliding and straight hair. Fast heat up time, ready to use in 60 seconds. A useful swivel cord rotates and prevents tangled wears. Use anywhere in the world with universal voltage. My experience with Philips Selfie Straightener. The packaging of this straightener is simple and compact, which is just the way a selfie straightener is supposed to be. The addition of pink to the otherwise simple black is pretty cool. The swivel cord comes in handy as it helps to use the straightener casually. The outer paper cartoon gives a lot of information about the product. The plug is a simple one and hence it is very much user-friendly. Coming to the effectiveness of the straightener, I have to say that it works really well. It straightens hair in a jiffy, but you have to work in small sections at a time. As the plates are comparatively thinner, it takes a while if you want to go for the poker straight look. I have never liked the straight hair look on myself and hence I wanted to try something in budget range and something that would just eliminate the frizz and not make it super straight. It does that job well without frying my hair and without much effort. The sad part is that the temperature cannot be controlled, so you have to work with a standard temperature. I feel it is a great pick for college goers or for those who want a touch-up tool. People who like poker straight hair would not enjoy using this. I find this to be great for my needs and my hair type. Positive side of Philips Selfie Straightener. Affordable, compact packaging, heats up first, works well, ceramic plates causes less hair damage, the cord doesn't tangle. Negative side, Philips Selfie Straightener. Takes time to completely straighten up all hair, temperature cannot be controlled, have to work on small sections. Would I repurchase or recommend Philips Selfie Straightener? Only if you are looking for something to touch up the hairstyle. It works well but takes a while to do the whole process. Thanks for watching this video. Stay pretty and bye.